everyone, welcome to my video Meka Evinovianti, University Muhammadiyah Semarang. Today we'll go through 40 dual style question on reading, structure, listening. Let's get started. Welcome everyone. Oke guys, pertama itu ada soal atau question listening. Langsung aja question 1. I can't seem to find my ID card anywhere. Aku tidak melihat dan tidak menemukan ID cardku dimanapun. I look it in my bag. Aku terakhir lihat itu di tas aku. On my desk, even in the car. Woman, did you check the library? You left it there last week. Oh, that's right. Thanks. I will check there now. What is the man's problem? Apa masalah pria tersebut? A. He lost his book. B. He missed a class. C. He can't find his ID card. D. He forgot his homework. Dari percakapan tersebut, kita bisa memahami bahwa pria tersebut itu kehilangan kartu identitasnya, tidak menemukan kartu identitasnya. Seperti itu. Lalu question 2. I'm running late. Can you give me a ride to the station? Sure, hop in. What will the woman probably do? A. Walk to the station. B. Wait for a taxi. C. Get a ride from the man. D. Take the bus. Jadi, apa permintaan wanita terhadap laki-laki tersebut? Yaitu she get a ride from the man. Wanita meminta tumpangan dan pria tersebut pun setuju. Karena listening itu perlu didengarkan baik-baik, apalagi ada percakapan seperti ini, kita harus mendengarkan secara baik dan teliti. Next, question 3. Professor, many students struggle on the exam last week. I think we should review the material again. Student, that sounds like a good idea. What does the professor imply? A. The exam was easy. B. The exam will be postponed. C. Student didn't do well on the exam. D. Everyone passed the exam. Jadi, ditanyakan profesor itu sebenarnya menyalahkan apa di percakapan tersebut. Ya, yang benar adalah si student didn't do well on the exam. Jadi murid-murid itu masih susah dalam mengerjakan soal. Begitu. Jadi dia meminta review kembali seperti itu, dan itu disetujui oleh para murid karena itu disebutkan bahwa itu adalah ide yang bagus. Lalu next adalah question 4. Did you return the book to the library? Yes, I used the book dropped outside. Where is the conversation most likely taking place? A. At a library. B. At a bookstore. C. At a cafe. D. At a school office. Jadi jawabannya adalah A. Membahas pengembalian buku dan Dropbox di perpustakaan. Jadi dia adalah at a library karena kan karena membahasnya kan buku dan di perpustakaan, sudah pasti percakapan tersebut dilakukannya di perpustakaan, yaitu library. Lanjut, next up question 5. I wish I hadn't gone to the party last night. It was so boring. Yeah, I thought it would be more fun too. What does the woman mean? A. She enjoyed the party. B. She regrets going to the party. C. She wants to go again. D. She is tired. Jadi kenapa percakapan itu yang dipikirkan oleh wanita itu apa woman-nya? Yaitu B. She regrets going to the party. Wanita itu menyesal pergi ke pestanya, begitu. Next, number 6 question. If you return the book late, you'll have to pay a fine. Oh no, I didn't know that. What is implied about the book return? A. There is no fine for late return. B. Late returns have penalties. C. The book is lost. D. The fine is small. Jadi percakapan itu, jadi ada konsekuensi saat kita kembalikan bukunya itu apa gitu, tentang pengembalian buku itu seperti apa gitu kalau kita telat. Jadi sebenarnya ada denda jika buku terlambat dikembalikan. Perempuannya itu tidak tahu sebelumnya kalau ada penalti seperti itu. Jawabannya berarti B. Late returns have penalties. Lalu question 7. Number 7. I think studying in groups help me understand better. I agree, it's more effective than studying alone. What do the speakers think about group study? Jadi, apa yang mereka katakan tentang study group ini? A. It is not helpful. B. It is more effective. C. It is boring. D. It wastes time. Answernya itu B. Mereka setuju belajar kelompok itu lebih efektif karena di situ dijelaskan bahwa itu lebih efektif daripada belajar sendiri itu, studying alone. Number 8. Question 8. Professor, the Industrial Revolution caused many people to move from farms to cities. Student that explain the rapid growth of urban areas. What was an effect of the Industrial Revolution? Jadi dia di situ ditanyakan apa efeknya dari revolusi industri. A. More farms. B. Urban growth. C. Population decrease. D. Fewer invention. Answernya B. Pertumbuhan kota karena perpindahan penduduk. Kan di situ dijelaskan bahwa ada move from farms to cities. Next question 9. Remember, no books or notes are allowed during the exam. Man, got it. I'll study hard. What does the woman mean? A. Exam is open book. B. No study materials allowed. C. Exam is cancelled. D. Books are allowed. Jadi, apa yang dibilang perempuan itu terhadap laki-laki? Ya, B. No study materials allowed. Jadi dia tidak boleh membuka buku. Dan karena di sini laki-lakinya juga bilang, got it. I will study hard. Tidak apa-apa, karena aku sudah belajar dengan keras, seperti itu. Lanjut, next question 10. Woman, I think my presentation went well, but I forgot some points. Man, still, you did a good job. How does the woman feel about her presentation? A. It was perfect. B. It failed. C. It was good but incomplete. D. It was boring. Jadi, apa yang dirasakan wanita itu saat dia setelah presentasi? Jawabannya yaitu C. It was good but incomplete. Wanita merasa presentasinya itu bagus, tapi ada yang terlupa. Ada sesuatu poin yang dia lupa, tapi tetap bagus kok presentasinya. Oke, everyone, kita masuk di bagian question soal struktur. Tadi sudah listening. Sekarang kita struktur and written expression. Number 11. The student blah 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 the exam before bell rang. A. Finishes. B. Finishing. C. Had finished. D. Have finished. Jadi aksi selesai sebelum kejadian lain di masa lalu. Karena kan di sini di masa lalu, maka pakainya past perfect yaitu had finished ya. Jadinya pakainya had. Lalu question 12. C. Blah 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 the piano when I entered the room. A. Played. B. Was playing. C. Is playing. D. Has played. Answernya apa? Karena di sini saat aksinya itu berlangsung saat kejadian lain, jadi pakai past continuous, yaitu B. Was playing. Next question 13. Not until the 20th century blah 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 to treat disease with antibiotics. A. Doctor began. B. Did doctors begin? C. Began doctors. D. Doctors did begin. Answernya apa? Karena di sini inversi dengan natfantil, jadinya did subject plus verb. Jadi jawabannya adalah B. Did, subjeknya siapa? Dokter, dan verbnya adalah began. Jadi jawabannya B. Did doctors begin? Okay, next number 14, question 14. The manager asked the report blah 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 by Friday. Jadi A is finished, B finished, C was finished, D to be finished. Ini karena setelah asked that, jadi subjunctive atau moodnya subjunctive mood setelah access that. Jadi jawabannya adalah B, finished. B ya. Lalu question 15. The book along with the notes blah 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 on the table. A are, B were, C is, D have. Explanation-nya subjek utamanya itu kan the book. Jadi satu doang. Jadi pakainya is. Lalu next question 16. The sun along with many stars blah 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 a galaxy. A form, B forming, C forms, D are forming. Jadi subjek utama tunggalnya itu kan the sun, ya. The sun along with many stars, blah 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 at galaxy. Berarti jawabannya yaitu answernya C, forms. Okay. Next question 17. Had he know the answer, he blah 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 it. A will write, B wrote, C would have written, D would write. Ini jawabannya apa? Conditional type 3, jadi unreal past. Jadi jawabannya adalah C, would have written. Number 18. Neither of the solution blah 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 ideal. A are, B were, C is, D being. Neither itu sebagai subjek tunggal, maka jawabannya adalah C is. Question 19. He was late because his car blah 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 down. A broke, B broken, C was breaking, D braked. Karena itu bentuknya lampau, maka breakdown adalah broke down. Maka jawabannya adalah A, broke. Question 20. The longer the speech blah 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 the audience become. A the more bored, B more bored, C the bored, D the most bored. Jadi strukturnya itu komparatif paralel. Answernya A the more bored. Next question 21. It is important that he blah 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 the meeting on time. A attends, B attend, C attending, D attended. Answernya karena subjunctive mood setelah important that, maka answernya adalah B attend. Next, this is the restaurant blah 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 we had dinner last week. A where, B which, C who, D when. Explanation-nya where untuk tempat ya, maka jawabannya adalah A where. Next question 23. The comet has reached blah 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 decision. A it's, B it's, C there, D his. Komit ya, kan dia tuh komit jadi dianggap satu kesatuan, maka jawabannya adalah A it's. Next, number question 24. The teacher was pleased with the student blah blah blah. A perform, B performance, C performing, D performance. Jadi dia itu butuh kata benda lah, berarti dia pakainya performance, B. Next question 25. If I blah 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 more time, I will take a Spanish class. A have, B had, C would have, D will have. Jadi karena dia conditionalnya type 2, maka answernya adalah B, yaitu had. Okay everyone, sekarang kita masuk dalam question atau soal tipenya reading. Jadi ada bacaan, lalu kita menjawab pertanyaan. Answer question from this reading text. Okay, passage 1, question 26, 28 sampai 28. The Industrial Revolution began in the late 18th century and dramatically changed the way goods were produced. Instead of handmade products, machines started to be used, increasing production speed and volume. This led to rapid urbanization as people moved to cities for factory jobs. However, it also caused poor working conditions and environmental pollution. Question 26. What is the main idea of the passage? Jadi, apakah pokok ide dalam paragraf tersebut? Paragraph A. The invention of machine caused pollution. B. The Industrial Revolution changed production and society. C. Cities were already large before the Industrial Revolution. D. People preferred handmade goods. Jadi, answernya adalah B. Paragraf menekankan perubahan besar dalam produksi dan masyarakat. Jadi, B. The Industrial Revolution changed production and society. Next. Okay. Question 27. According to the passage, what was a negative effect of the Industrial Revolution? Apa kondisi buruk? Apa negatif efeknya itu? Apa? A. Decrease in population. B. Poor working condition. C. Decline in city population. D. Lack of machines. Jadi disebutkan kondisi di situ kerjanya yang buruk. B. Poor working condition. Question 28. Why did many people move to cities during the Industrial Revolution? A. To find factory jobs. B. To go to school. C. To live on farms. D. To avoid pollution. Jadi apa tujuan orang-orang tuh pindah untuk ke kota? Pindah untuk bekerja di pabrik. Jadi jawabannya adalah A. To find factory jobs. Oke, next passage 2. Question untuk pertanyaan 29 sampai 32. Water pollution is one of the major environmental problems today. It occurs when harmful substances contaminate water bodies such as rivers, lakes, and oceans. Sources include industrial waste, sewage, and subchemical runoff from farms. Pollute water affecting animals and human health. Question 29. What causes water pollution? A. Clean water. B. Harmful substances in water. C. Trees and plants. D. Good farming practice. Answernya, polusi itu disebabkan oleh apa? Polusi disebabkan oleh suatu budaya. Answer B. Harmful substances in water. Question 30. Which is not a source of water pollution? A. Industrial waste. B. Sewage. C. Chemical runoff. D. Rainwater. Answernya D. Karena hujan bukan sumber polusi. Karena kan dia apa yang tidak sumber polusi. Jawabannya yaitu hujan. D. Rainwater. Question 31. What can water pollution affect? A. Only plants. B. Only animals. C. Plants, animals, and humans. D. Only human. Jawabannya yaitu C. Plants, animals, and human. Apa aja yang terkena dampaknya? Di situ disebutkan semua bahwa semua itu terkena dampak, itu C. Question 32. Why is water pollution a major problem? A. It is natural. B. It harms life and health. C. It makes water clean. D. It increases water supply. polusi air itu kan berbahaya bagi kehidupan dan kesehatan. Jadi jawabannya itu B, it harms life and health. Passage 3 for question 33, 34, 35, 36. Renewable energy comes from sources that can be replenished naturally, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. These sources are more sustainable than fossil fuels because they produce less pollution and won't run out. Many countries are investing in renewable energy to fight climate change. Question 33. What is renewable energy? A. Energy that never runs out. B. Energy from fossil fuels. C. Energy that pollutes a lot. D. Energy from coal. Jadi apa itu energi renewable? Yaitu A. Energy that never runs out. Energi yang dapat diperbarui secara alami. Question 34. Why is renewable energy better than fossil fuels? A. It is cheaper. B. It produces less pollution. C. It is not sustainable. D. It runs out quickly. Jadi, apa itu kelebihan dari energi renewable daripada fossil fuels? Yaitu B. It produces less pollution. Menghasilkan polusinya itu lebih sedikit. Number 35. What types of energy are renewable? A. Coal and oil. B. Solar, wind, and hydroelectric. C. Gas and coal. D. Nuclear and oil. Jadi apa itu tipe energi dari renewable? Yaitu B. Solar, wind, and hydroelectric. Sumber energi yang dapat diperbarui. Number 36. Why are countries investing in the renewable energy? A. To increase pollution. B. To fight climate change. C. To use fossil fuels. D. To stop producing energy. Yaitu kenapa para negara-negara itu investasi di renewable energy, yaitu B. To fight climate change, untuk melawan perubahan iklim. Okay, passage 4 for question 37 until 40. Finish, yes? Alright. The human brain is one of the most complex organs in the body. It controls thought, memory, emotion, touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, and many other functions that regulate the body. Scientists continue to study the brain to understand how it works and to find cures for diseases like Alzheimer's. Question 37. What does the brain control? Apa yang dikontrol otak? A. Only vision and breathing. B. Only memory and emotion. C. Many body function. D. Only motor skill. Jadi jawabannya tuh yaitu C. Many body function, karena otak tuh mengontrol banyak fungsi tubuh seperti yang disebutkan di paragraf tersebut. Next, question 38. Why do scientists study the brain? Kenapa para ilmuwan itu belajar mengenai otak? A. To find cures for disease. B. To stop brain function. C. To make the brain smaller. D. To ignore brain diseases. Jawabannya yaitu A. Untuk mencari pengobatan penyakit. Lanjut, next 39. Which disease is mentioned in the passage? Apa penyakit yang dinotis dalam paragraf tersebut? Yaitu A. Cancer, B. Alzheimer, C. Diabetes, D. Flu. Jawabannya yaitu B. Alzheimer, karena tadi penyakit Alzheimer itu disebutkan dalam kalimat terakhir. Lalu finish, question 40. What is the main idea of this passage? Jadi apa ide pokok dari paragraf tersebut? A. The brain is simple. B. The brain control many function. C. The brain is unimportant. D. Scientists have finished studying the brain. Yaitu jawabannya adalah B. The brain controls many function. Otak itu mengontrol banyak fungsi tubuh. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye-bye.